Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and the person you're dealing with. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the sides according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Pisces. Two of Swords, trying to take a decision, closed off by yourself, just contemplating on things and trying to make a decision. So let's see what's there on your person side. Queen of Swords, detached, not talking much, a little bit cold behavior. Most likely outcome, the Two of Cups. Wow, so both of you love each other. There is a relationship over here, but both of you are not talking to each other. Totally cut off to some extent, or okay, so let's see why is this Two of Cups here for Pisces. Okay, the Two of Wands. For the Two of Cups, the Two of Swords, we have the Two of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, why is this Queen of Swords here for? The Tower, the King of Wands, the Two of Cups once again. Okay, just want to take this card, High Priestess. Okay, let's see what's there for the Two of Cups. We have the Justice, the Seven of Swords, the Five of Pentacles. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles, I don't feel like taking more cards. We'll take more cards if I feel like, okay, and if needed. So for the Two of Swords, as I said, trying to take a decision, totally closed off, detached, trying to make up your mind over something, or at least trying to build up yourself, working on yourself, whatever it is, detached from a situation. Here with the Two of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the King of Pentacles, what I feel here is that you're waiting for somebody here. Again, with the Two of Wands, decision has to be made, though there is somebody on your mind. But again, it's just waiting. It's just waiting, trying to make up your mind, trying to take a decision, which way to go, holding on to the things, still holding on and waiting. With the Seven of Cups, again, a lot of confusion, a lot of uncertainty, trying to make up your mind, don't know what to do, what not to do. Okay, and here with the King of Pentacles, I think sitting stable, not doing much, just waiting perhaps, but happy. Okay, so this is with the King of Pentacles. What I feel is, though you're working on yourself, as I said, though you have your eyes open, in the sense that you are waiting, you have someone on your mind basically, but and you are to some extent deep within waiting for that person, but you are detached. You're working on yourself, trying to build yourself. Do focus on your things, focus on yourself, focusing on your confidence, and though you have stabilized yourself, worked on yourself and build up stability for yourself. Okay, so yeah, you have achieved some wisdom, you have achieved some maturity with whatever the situation is, and now you're just sitting on your couch waiting. Okay, I am happy with it the way it is. If it is happens, it's fine. If it doesn't, it's okay. It's something of that sort. Okay, if it happens, it's okay. If it doesn't, it's okay. You're okay with whatever it is. You've made up your mind, and you are just focusing on your life. That's what I feel. And here with for the Queen of Swords, we have the Tower, the King of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the High Priestess. So what I feel here is, With the Tower and the King of Wands, there is something unexpected which has happened on a person's side, can be you. And now this person is, it's something unexpected has happened. This person didn't expect certain behavior of your, certain, whatever has happened is something unexpected has happened. Perhaps the fact that you are sitting on your couch easily and you are happy in your own self and you are not putting the action which perhaps you used to put in. Okay, so this detached behavior of yours and totally being complacent on this situation has caused a shake-up in the mind of the other person or in the life of the person. This is something which they were not expecting. Okay, and here with the King of Wands, now this is okay, here I am sort of energy. This is okay, this has lit that fire in them, that the way you've ignored them perhaps, or the way you've detached yourself from them wasn't expected by them. So, though in the subconscious mind you may be waiting for them and you really don't know what to do, but you have detached yourself from them and worked on yourself to the extent that you are okay with whatever happens. And this comes as a tar to the other person. And this, with the King of Wands, what I feel is this is an aggressive type of an energy which is inciting their ego to some extent. Okay, how dare this person forgets me? How dare this person can stay without me or live without me? Okay, and this is the King of Wands to me is coming out again and again as a person who wants to make his presence, his or her presence felt. Okay, it has incited their ego and they are ready for the action. How, here I am, how can you forget me, how could you ignore me, sort of a feeling. Okay, this is a very, coming out as a very powerful thing to me after this shake up, which realization which is here. This has made them realized it's coming off like a movie. Okay, that when you ignore a person, when you leave the person, they don't expect that you leave them. And now this incites of, ignites that fire in them, that the ego is hurt, and that and then they realize they're coming back with the power, the how dare you sort of. With the Two of Cups and the High Priestess, you can see they are now realizing that love, as I said, they now view you as their soul connection. They view you as their soulmate. Now they are realizing the love which perhaps they were not realizing till this moment. And with the High Priestess, though things are not happening right now, but they are very much, whosoever this person is, very much in touch with their intuition, trying to find the solution, trying to find how to move ahead perhaps as to what should be done. Yes, action is not being taken as for now. It is just a realization which has happened. Perhaps it was not, this person didn't even realize as to what their feelings were. And this has come as a shake up for them, and now they are realizing. So this is definitely a realization by this person that they do love you, and how could, whatever this unexpected event has happened, this has helped them to tune into those feelings. Okay, that's what I feel. Though I don't see them taking any action, but this, yes, they are being very, very intuitive over here. And for the Two of Cups, where we have the Justice, the Seven of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, with the Justice, obviously, with the Two of Cups over here, some sort of a balance is expected to be restored. And what I feel here is that since both of you are not talking to each other, both of you are feeling ignored, rejected, and with the Seven of Swords, what I feel here is that now I think it is a wake-up call for this person, and this person perhaps, because following it is with the Ace of Pentacles. So now they want to offer a new beginning to you. But how will they do that? What I feel here is they will not do that openly. They will do that secretly. This person, it's like this person will come and meet you secretly, sort of. It's like as if you're sitting very upset and this person comes at the night, or it's maybe actually at night, but this is something who this person is going to talk to you secretly. Some sort of secrecy will be there actually, but there is a fresh beginning also with the Ace of Pentacles. So what I feel is things are, we have the Justice here and the Ace of Pentacles, new beginning, things being stabilized. Two of Cups, there is a connection here and here. So this person is perhaps coming to meet you or message you or text you or talk to you, whatever it is. But there is something secret in this, something shadowy. Maybe they don't want people to know about it. Can be that. Can be that. Let's see if there is anything else. Okay, we have the Seven of Wands, again the Queen of Swords, and the Wheel of Ten of Wheels. Six of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. So what I feel here is this person, things will get rolling definitely, but it is the time that they are taking off, it's being detached, but things will move forward. They will try to balance. Somebody here is going to balance the situation and move towards this Ten of Cups, towards this commitment. Okay, yes, there is a new beginning over here. Eight of Cups. Somebody is moving away from the negative things. Somebody is moving away from whatever they were holding on to. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Pisces. Demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those you love and act on it. Number 48 or number 12 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those you love and act on it. So this is what it is. You need to show, you need to open up. That is the problem in this relationship. Nobody is opening up. Both of you are detached, not opening up, not demonstrating your love, and that is what you need to do. First of all, you need to identify that you love them, and then you need to open up and show your emotions. But this is the thing which is lacking, and that is the message from the universe over here, Pisces. So let's see what happens. All the best, and don't forget to subscribe to my video. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Thank you.